But you got rival school characters in the background. What is there not
so
to
it ties in with your latest video.
Yeah.
Yeah. Shameless butt plug.
Ha.
Round one.
Alright, so what do you...
Bison is plus the character. He's plus on whiff.
Oh. Oh shit.
Oh, he knows.
Yeah, he has no CA this time to save him.
Not yet. Yo, Inara. I just wanted to see.
Oh god! That was too early.
No, I didn't believe.
No.
Stomp.
Wow. Check your dome.
No!
Don't dash up on me.
In front of
now knows forever.
in front of the rival school's waifus. He embarrassing me.
There's no Roberto though.
No, 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 no.
Oh, my combo. That wasn't supposed to be reversal, but
He pushing them backwards.
oh shit.
B reversal doesn't work.
No! My unblockable slide. First match is data.
That's dead.
It's death, yeah.
Oh, finish.
Getting all cocky and shit.
Yeah, to be honest. Using so much resources just for the...
Just for those.
So every time I see it, I'm happy.
Round one.
I'm gonna
beautifully.
lose now. Jump. Nope. No.
Yeah.
Damn.
That's really cool.
Wow. Oh wow, the stun. Tiffany, don't look.
Oh god, come on. Oh yeah, can't be the rest of that. Why did I try? Oh,
I didn't believe.
Still on the same side.
No, I blocked it.
You know you have V
It's-
as anti-air and you have an anti-air.
What? What?
Down heavy.
Don't
I'm
have
just
it.
telling you.
so the secret, I think, against Bison is to make him come to you, so he loses charge.
Oh, okay, I see.
You got the Suck Inferno though.
But then if you are too careful about it, he can do shit like this. Okay,
Shit
I
like.
was ready.
Shit like.
I was ready this time.
Yeah, I think Bison is definitely a character you don't see that often online.
Oh, now you
it's-
don't. You got really good players that play,
Oh,
play
shit.
Bison in tournaments. But he's a really good character though. That
Yeah,
Alexander
that's
doesn't.
why you make Bison come to you.
Otherwise, you get the new.
Look, Tiffany, I won, man.
Huh?
Tiffany. Rival school.
Tips.
No, no.
Round start, Resena, let's go.
Bronze level
Oh shit.
works on bronze and diamond.
Oh.
Yeah, but I think it works on bronze and other ranks for different. Shit.
Oh no, I have. Oh, Madonna.
Crash counters though.
No. Thanks. What?
Thanks.
Oh,
Oh, he knows.
Yeah, he has no CA this time to save him.
Not yet.
oh,
Yo! Yo, it doesn't matter. I won the match, man. No. Oh. No.
Oh god!
Yo! I got those. I got
Oh
those.
my god!
That was so nerve-wracking to watch.
It was nerve-wracking. Look, Tiffany, I won.
I'm gonna start with Resena.
You know you got me.
High love now.
Why are you doing this?
That was reverse psychology.
She?
No.
Why do you let him jump in?
Shut the fuck up. Oh fuck.
And sweeps. That's plus. And plus.
No. No.
Oh my!
Just right back in.
Oh shit!
Oh, that's gonna hurt.
No. I don't have Miax.
Now you got off.
You had to read, man.
Yeah, whatever.
Ah.
Ah! Why didn't you hit me?
Why didn't you play good?
Wow! Even with really hard to punish.
Now he's going to use the Ender-Earth. Poof, beef. Nee. Still plus. He wants to parry.
No.
Righty. We're gonna skate? No.
Combo. I know it.
No.
I know it's punishable. Why did I do? I didn't.
You fuck that entire up, you die.
What entire?
this is it. This is it, guys.
Final round.
The matches always be like 2-1.
Because you're awesome. Fuck.
you playing with my heart?
Muscle.
Okay,
The-
I got
the-
it. Whiff punch. That's how.
Platform whip. Platform whip.
Oh god damn it!
Damn. Blocks is.
Ah!
I think Sufo is playing defensively because he chooses to, and my brother and I were like, we don't know what to do. So
Oh no! I blocked the wrong way.
no.
My setup, my fight money. Oh!
Damn.
No!
She. I don't want to. The parry though.
No! No!
The no cross up.
Ah!
Oh.
The intensity.
Yeah,
those
the intensity.
games.
Exactly, I was saying that.
Child.
The mind game, the mind game that is going on when they're playing.
Now I'm going.
Yeah.
Now I'm going on a date with Tiffany and Hinata in the back.
Huh.
Bison showed them who's boss.
They impressed.
I get enjoyment out of telling people how to beat Karin, because then I cannot rely. I have to try something else.
Yeah.
Bison has
Wise words.
videogames.lu colors as well.
Ooh, the plug.
Go like and subscribe. But
Yo, Santa, I've been a bad boy. What? Ooh. Lag?
what?
You've been a bad boy?
Oh, lag. Already the option select.
It's kind of laggy, right? For you too, Activist?
Ah, come on. keep making the same mistakes.
Doesn't pay attention. He's concentrated on the match.
Oh, fuck. Fuck, that wasn't the cross up.
Oh, the child. No, you cannot press there. You cannot press there.
That is Bison. You gotta learn today, boy.
I have to. Yeah, Bison is like really. I think it's my kryptonite.
That move where he tries to hit you from over his head,
Yeah.
you cannot press after that.
This one.
Okay.
Psycho X.
Yeah,
Do
Yeah,
not
I
press.
see.
but you can whiff punish. You see how long the recovery is.
Like, do not press after this this button. Actor is like medium punch. It's a reaction. I know.
It's
No,
the,
weak flank.
when I do the medium punch, you're not allowed to push.
Okay.
You just gotta take this one. heavy too.
So.
You have a view reverse. So
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, not used to it. So.
no, that's activation. Oh,
Yeah, it's.
His plus on many things. That's what you should
the
know.
thing you have to learn. The thing you have to learn against Bison is escape his pressure and try to make him come to you, because he has a lot of buttons that move forward quickly, and where he can start his offense.
I see.
Watch out for the sweep, because there are also a lot of Bisons, especially in lower ranks, who like to sweep,
And it's,
Oh, they will sweep if they
Yeah.
have a V gauge.
and it's punishable as hell. A little bit faster, but you should have punished that. Dish, dish. Ooh, I think I saw the lag.
No.
Man.
And he also has an anti lag. Dish.
Oh yeah, that one. That one you can press. That's a punish actually, I think.
yeah. But not in V trigger. But I have V trigger too now. So
So not in V trigger.
In V-Trigger, these ones are safe.
Plus. No save.
I think safe.
You don't know the frame data.
Yeah, I can do the shimmy in the air. Gotta watch out for those. What you should do is jump back and do a light punch or light kick. It depends now on the
Light
character.
punch.
But the light,
Okay.
normal.
Or if G has a jump grab, I don't know. You can do that too. Jump! Jump!
Okay.
Yeah, or after I stomp on you.
Oh, okay, I see.
Maybe.
Maybe not jump. Or this one.
Ooh,
I don't
that
know
doesn't seem to work.
No, I don't think so. I think I have to get some practice in it.
What I do is I jump with the direction, so I can
Or do the
kinda
G
make
thing.
you see worthless in the ultra or air shimmy, if I can call it that.
Wow!
Yeah, that's that's V-skill too. It's annoying.
I thought I had to rescue one, but I. Oh.
No, this doesn't work.
Oh
No.
Oh, that might work.
it should work.
no!
No! Capcom, please.
Trying hopelessly to get something out, but
But last time it worked on Chun-Li, Chun-Li was behind you and it
This
worked.
ain't Chun-Li, bitch! What? I mean, she might be as thick as him, but.
Huh?
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 Prosciutto?
Are we talking fighting games still?